I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open Facetune and pick the photo you want to capture. Start editing now so the frame is exactly how you want it. Make small adjustments to crop, zoom, and alignment because the screenshot will freeze whatever is on screen. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb and lock screen orientation to prevent banners or rotation from breaking the shot. These steps ensure a clean, uninterrupted image when you take the screenshot. You can capture the screen directly with device buttons. iPhone uses side plus volume up, while most Android phones use power plus volume down. Press them simultaneously and release quickly. Alternatively, use Facetune's export or share feature to save a full resolution copy to your camera roll, which avoids status bars and overlays. Once the screenshot appears, tap its preview to crop or edit further, and make sure to long press to access share or delete options if you need another attempt. You finalize by saving the screenshot to Photos or exporting the edited image from Facetune for best quality, because exports remove UI overlays. If you see toolbars, undo them or use export. Screenshots show everything on screen, while exports give a clean file. If something goes wrong, force close Facetune and reopen, check permissions for photos/storage, and try again. That usually fixes stuck overlays or failed saves. And then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.